Guys, now it's time for my favorite part of the show, wherein I am answering all your questions जो भी आपने पूछे हैं at the email. You know the email already, but if you don't, the email address is very simple. It's tg@ndtv.com, जहाँ पे आप सभी सवाल पूछते हैं. I'm gonna give all the answers. Let's see what we have this week. So yours the best gadget, the best tool to kind of track your health, to track all your activities. Ideally to begin with, I think would be an alarm clock यार, because अगर उठोगे नहीं टाइम पे तो वो activities करोगे कब जो track करना चाहते हो. But again, if you want to actually track maybe your calorie burn or your sleep, like multiple things, then we have numerous gadgets, numerous products. You can start with a very simple, fitness band, fitness tracker. You can go up to a smartwatch. You can go towards like likes of Garmin, for example, जहाँ पे वो dedicated हैं to track in all your runs and everything. So it all depends on your budget, your preference, your style. But ideally, I would want to say get any basic fitness band just to get the just the basic calculations right, and eventually you can dive deep in the world of this tracking and everything. And now next we have a video question from Amisha. Let's see.
Hello Technical Guruji, big fan. Thank you for this opportunity to let me ask this question. My phone's battery goes away faster, so how should I make it last longer?
What a simple question, and I'll give you the simplest possible answer. Phone use mat karo. फोन ज़्यादा यूज़ मत करो तो लंबा चलेगा. बट okay, if you want to use your phone like we all do and still want that your phone should last longer, then there are multiple ways. Maybe you can reduce the display brightness. Maybe you can uninstall all the unused apps. Maybe they are running in the background draining your battery. You can use some battery saver option if in case your phone has one. Otherwise, you can use dark mode if your phone has an AMOLED screen. Just to make sure कि आप कम से कम resources use करोगे, और अगर आप कम से कम resources use करोगे तो eventually your phone's gonna last longer. Or the best would be, I think, if you can enable a black and white mode on your phone, because if your phone becomes black and white, you would end up using it lesser. Eventually your phone's gonna last long.